Krea 2 nails a specific style like no other model. Feed it references, make mood boards, and add aesthetics. Here's how to use it. Let's first take a look at extracting a style and visualizing by text to image. Import the images that you would like to use as the style reference. Connect them all to a text node and ask for an analysis of the stylistic elements. Connect it to image nodes to visualize the analysis. The two modes in Krea 2, large and medium, are different in terms of price and generation time. Medium is faster and cheaper, and strong on illustration, anime, painting, expressive styles. Large is better for photorealism and raw looks like motion blur, grain, or low dynamic range. Krea 2 has a parameter called creativity, which you can set to raw, low, medium, and high. Raw sticks more close to the prompt, whereas high interprets the prompt more broadly and adds stylistic choices you didn't ask for. You can set the level depending on how much authority you would like to give the AI model. This time, let's use reference images directly. Use a single style reference image and apply it to a portrait image. Connect both to Krea 2 references and specify the role of each image in the prompt. We can also try making an element with the style. Use a single style reference image to create variants. Make 10 prompts based on this image. Put them all in a batch node. And visualize each of them. Break them out onto the canvas. Select a couple and create an element that can hold the style. Connect an element to an image node together with a portrait image. And send it to GPT Image 2, which will convey the visual traits of the original portrait more precisely. Mention the element in the original image in the prompt. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.